What's the meaning of bilabial? Bilabial. Bilabial.
Bilabial. Bilabial. The term bilabial refers to a type of consonant sound that is produced by bringing the lips together. Specifically, the two lips come into contact with each other, either completely or partially, to create a sound that is characterized by a burst of air when the lips are released. Examples of bilabial sounds include P, B, and M. These sounds are relatively easy to produce, as they do not require any complex tongue movements or adjustments to the vocal cords. Bilabial sounds are found in many languages around the world and are an important part of the human speech system.